Hello? Today I am showing you how you can jailbreak iOS 9.2 and above using Pangu. Now, the normal method of doing this would be downloading it on your computer and everything, but I found that that just doesn't work, or just takes really long. I don't know, but this method takes much less time, only a few minutes, and before you click away, no, this is not fake, like many others. This is actually real, and like I said, it does not require a computer to do. So let's get started. First of all, two things that you will want to do is open up Settings, go to Touch ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, and hit Done. Now, if you don't have a passcode, you can skip this step, but you'll want to tap Turn Passcode Off and Turn Off. You'll once again have to verify your passcode that you have had and hit Done. You can re-add this once you have jailbroken your device. After that, you'll want to scroll down to iCloud and scroll down to Find My iPad. Now, you'll want to turn this off. And I'm going to take that away just so I can type it in. Because I really don't care about my passcode, but I do about my Apple ID. So, okay, so it is now turned off. As you can see, let's hope that I got the positioning right. Let me just check the positioning of the camera. Okay, good, I got that right. So now we'll go home again and open up Safari now. I'll close all these tabs that I've had open. Now you want to go to Online Jailbreak.com. Exactly how I have typed it. OnlineJailbreak.com, and tap Go. Now you will see this page show up. I know it looks kind of unprofessional, but just trust me, this is real. So now tap Install, and install again. After that, you can go to your home page, where you should see it starting to download. You can see this has the same icon as the one on the jailbreak from your computer, except it only took like 20 seconds to download, unlike possibly even an hour on your computer. So now just tap this and you'll see that it will say Untrusted Enterprise Developer. And if you go into Settings and General, and after that scroll down to Device Management, tap this and hit Trust, and Trust again. Now first of all, before I actually open the app, I would like to verify that I am in fact on iOS 9.3.3. So let's go back to that app, and let's just tap on it. Okay, now this is extremely important that you hit OK on this. Now I know that it is in a form of some sort of Chinese language. Now it is not called Chinese, I would rather say Mandarin because that is the actual language name. Anyway, now tap the circle, but get ready to press this lock button, okay? Tap the circle and press the lock button. And now just wait. And this can take a little bit. The initial process, you'll see we got the notification. That just means it's installing Cydia. So we can let it sit there until we see the iPad reboot. This will, of course, work on iPhone and iPod. So while we wait, let me talk to you about what devices will work. So the devices that are compatible with this jailbreak are iPhone 5S and above. Now note that the iPhone 5C will not work. Or if you just know that your device is 64-bit, it'll work. It will work with the iPod Touch 6G, but that's it for iPod so far. If there happens to be an iPod released really soon, it'll probably work. It might require an update though, so you don't want to check on that. It will work with iPad Air and above. It also has support with iPad Pro and It does not say this on the website, but I'm pretty sure that means the 9.7-inch version as well. So you can see that it has restarted, and it might say that. You can just slide to unlock. Oops. I'm going to have to type this in again. Sometimes it'll ask you for that. I just restored from a backup, so that's probably why it's asking me for that. Let's put this back. I'm going to check the positioning again. Okay, let's move this a little bit. Is that better? Yes, that's good. So now we can go this way, and we can see that Cydia has been installed, and also this app. You cannot actually delete this, but also do not ever delete this app. Okay? So now if we go into Cydia, and we wait, you'll see that Cydia is completely functioning, and you can see, if you zoom in a little bit, if you really want to find out that this is real, you can just zoom in here. You can see iOS 9.3.3 and Cydia is installed. So yeah, and so that you are now jailbroken, but one thing I would like to point out is that this is not an untethered jailbreak, but the nice thing is we have the app that you can use, so you do not need a computer to start your iPad or whatever device you're using. So let's just show you how you can, do it if you restart. So let's just reboot. And now we'll wait for this to turn on. It should be a pretty quick startup. Substrate, or Cydia, will not be loading all this, so like a regular untethered jailbreak. For example, the 9.0 through 9.2 jailbreak, I'm actually upgrading from 9.0.2. That may not make sense, but the reason, well, yeah, I have a reason. So let's just slide to unlock. Oops. And once again, go over here. Now, if we open up Cydia, it will not work. So just tap this icon again. Once again, accept notifications, hit the button, and unlock. It should not take as long as it usually does, but sometimes it will. If Cydia still crashes when you open it, just try what I just did again. I found that will happen sometimes, but it just takes about 20 seconds. And we'll once again go over here and open up Cydia, and this time it will not crash. So that is how you actually restart and apply your tweaks after you restart. Note that tweaks that you have installed, after you restart, they will, and you open the app and hit the circle and then the lock button, they will actually stay through a reboot. So that is how you jailbreak iOS 9.2 and above.